Click for career setting updates. Part on career network provides often roll out clear setting to roll out career setting updates that fix issues are facing phone calls and clear service after although most smartphone automatically if you own a Android device go to setting about phone and wait for carrier signal update pop up. If you some Android device, if you some Android device, go to setting about phone and with a carrier signal, wait for a carrier signal, wait for carrier signal update pop up. Some Android device have some Android device have the option to update carrier setting. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest new video. Thank you.